What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. Today's video is going to be about a review about the Afi Finance protocol, and I'm going to show you step by step how to get started with this project if you're not familiar with this project. Okay, so I'm going to try to make this video as short as possible. Okay, so the project has been audited by Crypto Prim. Over here, we can see the audit summary and everything that the owner or the dev can do in regards to the smart contract. Okay, so Afi Finance initially looks like an ROI DApp, but once you come over here and deposit your BUSD, the owner will have access to the funds, and then with those funds the owner will perform trades. Okay, so if you come over here to the Afi Finance Telegram group, you have two chats. Okay, the first chat is where you go to the main chat and ask questions, and the second one, it's about the trades. Okay, and over here is where the Mohammed, which is the trader, posts all the trades that he makes. Okay, and from my point of view, not many people are believers about this project. Hence, the smart contract only have had a total balance of 1008K. Okay, because this platform only pays you 0.5%, but you might be thinking, damn, 0.5% is nothing. In reality, 0.5%, it's a decent. Okay, it's decent. So in 30 days, you'll make 15% a month. Okay, it's decent. And the cute thing about this project is after 60 days, you'll start earning your rewards. You will have to come over here and stake and restake if you want to earn more rewards. Okay, so let's have a quick peek at the smart contract. Let me just close the TG. Okay, smart contract right here. So we can see that total balance TVL right now is 32.3K BUSD. So remember, this project it's on Binance Smart Chain, and over here we can see the TVL balance. Okay, history. So it went from zero. So the project was launched on the 23rd of April. Okay, so today is the 5th of June. Okay, so this is so April, May, June. So this is gonna be the April, May, June. Okay, so this is gonna be the second month. Okay, so you're walking towards the second month. Okay, and as you can see, it has its ups and downs. Okay, so over here, total transfer amounts, we can see that a huge spike on the launch day, and then eventually, more people become aware of the project and start to invest. Okay, but the beauty of is we don't see many huge withdrawals, and also we don't see many huge deposits. In one hand, is good because if the community is low, all right, so and the trader is performing good trades, there will be enough funds for everybody. Okay, but if the community start to growing like to thousands, okay, it makes harder because you will have to start trading with large amounts of money. Okay, in this case BUSD. Okay, so the way it is right now, I'm happy with it. Okay, and the TG, has 369 members. Is not very active, but any questions that you might have, just go to the TG and ask all the questions that you want. Okay, so how this project works, it's very simple. Okay, so let's go for the step-by-step tutorial how to get started. Okay, so first things first, you got to connect your wallet. You come over here, you connect your wallet, and you are in. Okay, then you will need BUSD in your wallet to start investing in this project. Okay, over here is where you're going to make your deposit, but prior to that, make sure you read the docs, make sure you fully understand how the project works. Okay, come over here and you have more information about the project. Okay, so right there, right here, you can see everything that you should know about the project. Okay, every time you deposit, there is no tax. Okay, and every time you withdraw, okay, once you decided to withdraw your initial, you'll pay 1% tax, okay, on your initial capital. Okay, the projects, it's very simple, guys. So let's go. I think I've got some BUSD. Yes, let's go for the purpose of this video. Come over here and you enter 1 BUSD. So first things first, you gotta prove that 1 BUSD, okay, and then you stake that BUSD. So let me go ahead and hit the proof so you can see how it works. Okay, I already paid the gas fee. So once you approve, once the confirmation goes through, you can see that the approved amount is 1 BUSD. So once you're ready, okay, you come over here and stake. I already click stake. My stake is right here. So all I got to do is confirm on my ledger, and my deposit will go through. Okay, so it takes a few seconds, probably 1 or 2 minutes, depends how congested the network is. Okay, just confirming on the ledger, and boom. Okay, so over here my details should change. Okay, so user active deposits, it will be 2. Okay, total deposits 26, as you can see it changed. Okay, over here we can see total claim, current dividends, and earning daily. Okay, so over here on top of the dashboard, we can see the total balance, total deposit. Okay, we can see the contract balance, which I just showed you. Okay, we can see the total users, the rewards time. So once you make your deposit, you will have to wait 10 days prior to make that claim. Okay, so once the timer goes to 10 days, 0 hours, 0 minutes, that means you are able to claim. Okay, come over here, claim your rewards, and your rewards will go to your wallet. Over here is where you can see your referrals. Okay, and down here we can see my stake history. Okay, so I made the first stake on the 24th of April. Okay, so the stake is been running for 41 days. So once we reach day 60, okay, I will no longer earn rewards on this stake. I will have to come over here and stake it and put it back in if I want to continue to earn more rewards. And the daily yield of this project is, like I said, 0.5%. And now I have a new stake right here just now. Okay, and you can see it is just 1 minute old. It will last for 60 days. The amount is $1, and I will earn 0.5% from this $1. Over here is where you can find information about the project. Okay, so if you're not familiar with this project, I would highly recommend you to come over here, fully read everything, make sure you understand, only invest risk capital, and basically that's it. But so far, I cannot complain about the project. It's doing what it's supposed to do. So yeah, all good. So let's see what happens in 19 days. So let's see once people start to unstake, if people will put the money back in. I will for sure, because so far I have no complaints about the project, and the trader, it's doing good trade. So far so good. But that being said, guys, all the links going to be down in the description. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.